Hello, everyone. Welcome to Sandusky District Library's virtual story time. We're on week 5. Are you ready? All right, let's start with our poem. Hands go up and hands go down. I can turn myself around. I can stand up on one shoe. I can listen, so can you. I can sit, I'll show you how. Story time is starting now. Welcome, everyone. The Pigeon and I are very excited that you're here because today we're going to talk Valentine's Day because it's right around the corner. That Valentine's Day is on February 14th. So we are going to read our first story. Is called The Love Monster, and it is written by Rachel Bright. This is a monster. Hello, monster. I think you'll agree he's a little bit funny looking, to say the least. He lives in a world of cute, fluffy things, which makes being funny looking pretty darn hard. You might have noticed that everybody loves kittens and puppies and bunnies, you know, cute, fluffy things. But nobody loves a slightly hairy, I suppose a bit googly-eyed monster. Poor monster. This might be enough to make a monster feel well, a bit down in the dumps. But not being the moping around sort, he decided to set out and look for someone who would love him, just the way he was. He looked high. He looked low. He looked middle-ish. He looked inside and outside. More than once he thought that maybe, just maybe, he found what he was looking for. But as it turned out, things were never quite as they seemed. Yes, it would be fair to say that his search did not go well. And then it didn't go well some more. It didn't go well for such a long time, in fact, that it began to get dark and scary and, well, not very nice. So the monster, having lost all his oomph, decided it was time to give up and go home. But in the blink of a googly eye, everything changed. You see, sometimes when you least expect it, love finds you. Oh, I'm so glad he found a friend. Okay, so in honor of our Love Monster book, we are going to, for our craft this week, we are going to do make our own Love Monster. Okay, so in your Storytime Craft Kit, and if you haven't ordered yours yet, that is okay. Just give us a call at the library or fill out the form online, and we will help you and make sure you get a Storytime Craft Kit. Okay, so in your kit, red construction paper, white kind of looks like a cloud, and then a bag of different colored construction paper pieces. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to put glue on this, and you're going to stick it in the middle, about the middle of your red construction paper. Okay, and then in this little bag is the rest of your parts that you need to make your monster. So like this piece is its mouth, there's little white rectangles for teeth, different things. And so you're gonna take those pieces and slowly glue them very carefully on your paper, and then you should have something that looks like this when you're all done. I then, after I had everything glued and it dried, I took a black marker and I drew a circle and I filled it in for its eyes, and I did like little black lines for its mouth. But you don't have to do that if you don't want to. So it's up to you. If you want to add more, take some markers and add more details to your monster, or if you like it without any markers or crayons, that is up to you. It's your monster, however you want to do it. So because it's Valentine's Day, I have a second craft for you to do. So then this one is a white piece of cardstock and it says, I love you 2 pieces. And then you should have another bag of construction pieces, just pink and red squares. And then what you're going to do is you're going to get your glue. You're going to put it on there, and then you're going to glue as many construction pieces that you want to put in your heart. If you want to use all the ones that we've given you, you can. If you only want to use a few, that's up to you. And then what's great is then you could put your name on it, and then you could give it to somebody that you care about. Okay? Okay, talking about hearts, let's get to our next story. So our next story is called How to Mend a Heart by Sarah Gillingham. Okay. To mend a heart. Oh, look at him. He's so sad. I wonder what that was. You need gentle hands, the right tools, and lots of patches. To mend a heart, go 1 stitch at a time. Some hearts need a little bit of thread, and others need the whole spool. If there's a snag, remember there are helping hands all around you. You might mend a heart more than once or twice. Uh-oh. So trim the loose threads and try something new. And don't give up. Because the more patches and seams there are, the bigger and stronger a heart can be. Okay, and because it's Valentine's Day, it's near Valentine's Day, I have another book for us to read. I thought it would be fun to read one more today. It says, Who Loves Boo by Selena Yoon. Ready? Where is Boo's heart? Is it behind the flowers? No, that's a teacup. Is it behind the balloons? No, that's a lollipop. Is it behind the teddy bear? No, that's a cupcake. Is it behind the frog? Yes, it is. A heart for Boo to say, I love you. So just another short, sweet story. Okay, story time. That's all. Story time, friends. That's all I have for you this week. Next week, we're going into space. So if you'd like to request some books to go along with our theme next week, I have a couple that I could share with you. This one's called The 3 Little Aliens and the Big Bad Robot. This one's called Rover Throws a Party. And then this one is called The Way Back Home. So I don't know if you can see. Oh yeah, there's a little boy and a little alien. Okay, that's all I have for us this week. I'll see you next week. You ready to end it today? Okay, ready? Tickle the stars, tickle your toes, turn around and tickle your nose. Reach down low, reach up high. Story time is over, so wave goodbye. Bye everyone. See you next week.